everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have the Sultry mini palette. Looks like this. Now, I did get the Sultry palette when it came out originally, but I have since decluttered it. And when it came out the second time, I didn't buy it. I had the Natasha Denona Glam palette. But when the mini came out, I was interested. I like the mini. I cannot read the colors. So that's that. I'm going to go into this color right here. I'll see if I can read it later on. I'll have my glasses with me. And, oh, she's pigmented. I'm going to put that in my crease. I like mini palettes. I don't know why. Probably because they're easier to travel with. She's pigmented. I'm going to put that in my crease. I like mini palettes. I don't know why. Probably because they're easier to travel with. I had a different video planned for today, but it didn't upload correctly, and I thought it was uploaded, and I deleted it. So I'm gonna have to do it again. It was about my no-buy. Then I'm gonna take this little brush right here. I'm gonna go into this color right here. And deepen out my outer V. I'm going to take my Angie A505 and go into this shimmer right here and put that all over the lid. Another thing I don't normally do is I have my mirror light on. I usually just use my overhead light for the filming. So I don't know how the video quality is going to be. Alright, I'm going to put on some blush. I didn't put on before. This is Makeup by Mario Soft Pop Petal Pink. That's nice. Then I have some highlighter. This is new to me. This is the Mesmerize Rare Beauty Rose Gold, I think it is. Very pretty. Alright, I need lips. It's gonna be a lip gloss. I'm gonna go with Celeste by Buxom. not bad. I like the look. I like that little palette. I'll get some good use out of it. You know? So for my foundation, I tried out the Dior Face and Body. I think it's a little dark for me this time of year. I had to bring it all the way down my neck. And then for concealer, I use Dior, what is it called? The Dior Backstage Flash Perfector. I like the look of the foundation. It's just I think the foundation is too dark for me right now. Well, at least in the winter mode. I mean, I can make it work. I brought it down my neck so I don't look as crazy. Well, anyways, I really like Anastasia's formula. I like the mini palette. I'm glad I picked it up. It's worth it. And the Mesmerize is good. I like that. That's really pretty. I thought it was going to be too deep for me, but these are very sheer. So if you think that this color Mesmerize is too dark for you and you're my skin color, just put it on the back of your hand and work it into the brush and brush it all over. It does a beautiful look. Get that out of there. And that's it. That's my video. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video.